Hi guys, Roxanne here from Tiny Home Living. Well, I have been gone for a prolonged period, so I thought I'd just do this little prelude to the video to let you know what happened. Always something going on around here, but I have about 6 memory cards that I cycle through my camera, and I date them, and I meticulously keep them long enough so that I know I've got all my data filed and transferred onto backup, hard drive, and everything else. Something happened. I don't know if it was a virus on my computer or the card reader or what it was that I transfer my files from the cards to my computer was corrupting every single one of them. As soon as I plugged it into my computer, turned it on, my memory card, it just said, I can't remember what it said. That I had to format them or something. It was totally out of the blue. I have no idea what happened. I still don't know what happened. The computer guy doesn't know what happened. Don't go to Best Buy, by the way, because they sure don't know what happened. They'll take your money, sell you new memory cards, but not a clue. I ended up going to Gamma Solutions in Drayton Valley. Awesome guys there, and they don't really know why it happened, but they were able to retrieve my data. So I ended up, I could have gone ahead and just done, like I sort of ended with us starting framing, and then it got to all the ones in between us laying flooring were gone. All the files were gone. So it was a lot of data and a lot of activities that we've done working on the tiny house. And of course, I didn't want to skip through all that because I've waited 2 years to get this done. And I mean, it's just the best part of what we've done in 2 years. And I was just so excited about showing you guys the building of the other side of the tiny house and finally getting it done and finally moving in and everything. So I didn't want to just leave the corrupted files, forget about it, and continue on pick up where we were laying the flooring. So fortunately, these guys were able to get, well, it was one guy, was able to get, took a very long time, but they have some program or something, they were able to retrieve the data and put it back on the card. So here I am. And then, you know, I get them home and then I have to go do the process. It's very long and tedious of retrieving each video clip, labeling it in a chronological order, putting them in files by day and then month, and you know, so it's a really long, tedious process. So maybe someone knows a better way. I don't. So anyway, here we are. I just thought I'd give you an explanation before I load this video, so you kind of know what the heck happened. There's been a lot going on around here too. We're trying so hard to get ready for winter, and there are a lot of things that I'm not recording, you know, because we're just in panic mode now. But the building of the tiny house, the finishing of the tiny house, and moving into the tiny house, it's just, well, to me anyway, it's so exciting, and I've waited so long for this, and I just didn't want to skip over it. So here we are, and I will continue on, and I'm going to do a lot of speeding up of videos, you know, the boring stuff like laying plank after plank of flooring and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, Chris is also having another health scare, so I'm not going to say too much more about that right now. We're hoping it's nothing serious, and we'll just see. You know, it's really tough here, as it is for many people in Canada right now. We have no doctor. We haven't had a doctor since just before he went into heart failure. So going on a couple of years now. So through this, the hardest time ever, we've had no doctor. So it's also very tedious trying to get an appointment in the clinic, and you know, I could just go on, and I do, I know. But anyway, really excited to bring you some more footage and some more updates and show you what's happening. And I'll try and speed things up to bring you up to where we are now, because I'm so excited to show you guys what this tiny house looks like and how beautiful it is and how happy I am with it. And as usual, I will go over a few things that I maybe would have done differently. Not huge things, but minor things that I think are worth mentioning. And like I said at the beginning, I always want to show people my mistakes. You know, my mistakes in my bread not rising or the top of the bread burning or whatever. I'm just not into doing those perfect videos where everything's perfect and everything's like a photograph in a magazine. That's not me. I'm not that perfect, and I don't think that expecting everybody to achieve and live up to that perfection is a good idea. So anyway, you get to see the imperfect me and the crazy me and the yammering me, and that's just the way it is. So anyway, let's get on with today's video. So I have been mowing the orchard again. And Chris is working in the tiny house. He's been poking away at this. We just moved the furniture out of the way so he could get the next section done. He wired the first 2/3 of the tiny house already, so we'll just show you where we're at. We're just going to get those last 2 little wall segments in. Sweet. I know, I just had to get all this stuff. Is there room for the 2x6 wall?
Yeah, 2x6 wall's going here.
Oh, I see. Okay. You want to walk them together?
Oh, it's hitting that.
Oh, yeah. It's about 1/2 inch.
Yeah. Well, let's put a temporary brace somewhere.
Okay. Do you want to just lay it down so you can notch it, Chris? Like it'll be in the doorway if I lay it down, right?
Oh, it's that plate, eh?
Yeah, yeah. Like it's just...
Oh yeah, same as the other end, basically.
Yeah.
1/2 inch down and
Yeah.
1/2 inch in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we could. Well, it would be... Maybe we could bring it out.
Hmm?
We just bring it in, I guess.
Oh, no, I don't want to take it out again.
Because I don't think it'll...
Stupid long chairs. Long chairs in the way.
Short wall's harder to do the big one.
Just lay it down there. Yeah. So what's happening is the wall is hitting against that plate right there. So Chris has to shave a bit off.
Oh,
What?
that other thing.
What thing?
The beam going across.
What?
The beam going across there. Gotta go that way. Oh, like a quarter inch.
Oh.
That's okay. I'll just brace it.
Yeah. Can you chisel that out? Oh.
Take it out again.
No.
Not even going to that stuff. Hello.
Well, I was trying to help by picking this up. Oh, hurts my wrist.
You got one too many?
I don't know.
One for each stud. Yeah. I'll just take that skinny one out.
Which one?
This
This
one
one?
here. Or get locked in.
Yeah. Freshness. Come on. So Chris got, what we did was we figured out where the furniture's gonna be. That's why there's an electrical box right there, because it's always behind the TV cabinet. And this time we're putting it above the TV cabinet on the wall. And we've got light plugs down there. We put them, I think, at 18 inches for us old people. And then we've got the wiring for all the lighting. And we're going to put a light here where the little dining table is going to be. And then figuring out where all the outlets are and everything. And then he hasn't got it done till these walls are in, but we've got figured out where the electrical plugs and everything are going to be on this wall. Because there's going to be a wall right here where the sliding door opens. So one side is going to be 37 inches and one side is going to be 19 inches. So you got to figure all that out and then figure out where all your light switches and everything are going to be. So you don't want to have a sliding door here and it slides over here over top of the light switches. So you got to plan all that out, especially when you're using things like, you know, sliding doors, the barn doors. So the good news is we're getting awful close to insulation. Then we can put the plywood in. We're using plywood instead of tongue and groove. And so plywood and then paint. Yeehaw. And then flooring. This. Do all the others. This has to be underneath it. You need the one I took out?
No. The wall's supposed to go. You did.
Measure twice, cut once.
Or maybe go on the inside. I like this brace.
Oh, I see what you mean.
This water.
Yes.
I'll fix it up tomorrow. Well, that happened.
almost looks like that one's farther apart, so maybe you could just cut it off and leave it the same length. Is this one?
Yeah, if that's 6 inches there.
Yeah.
There's the 6-inch mark.
Yeah. That might be.
Yeah, it's gotta go that way, middle of the quarter.
Yeah.
That's why you're on planet. Zip this off.
You made this old woman carry that wall out to notch it. Didn't need it.
We're doing all the rafters cut.
Yeah. Go quick now.
Wiring.
Listen to that. It's my chicken eaters. I was gonna keep mowing, but it's almost 10 o'clock. So I'm just gonna continue tomorrow. Put the old machine away. I'm so tired. So lots of progress again today. Pretty happy with that. We're getting so close to insulation. I'm so happy. I'm planning in my head all the time. Like, and well, we had to for the outlets and everything too, and light fixtures, like where the sofa's gonna go, and where's this gonna go, and where's that gonna go, and what furniture we're gonna keep, and where's the art gonna go. So I am pretty excited. Chris is going out there to look. Sometimes we can actually see the coyotes across the road. They're always going from one tree stand to the other. Except when they, oh, there goes one. No, those are deer. We've got, oh, I'd love to get that guy that got my sweet little Henrietta and the other 2 chickens. Yeah, they go back and forth all the time. We see them. But anyway, haven't got them yet. Well, we're done for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you next time.